The Magic Styler is a versatile hair tool designed to simplify hairstyling at home by combining multiple functions in one device. It can curl, straighten, and add volume to hair, making it appealing for people who want to achieve salon-like results without owning multiple tools. Its user-friendly design and adjustable heat settings cater to different hair types, allowing users to customize their styling experience. One of the main advantages of the Magic Styler is its convenience. With just one tool, users can quickly switch between different styles, saving time and reducing clutter. Its ceramic plates and ionic technology help minimize hair damage, keeping hair smooth and shiny after styling. The lightweight design also makes it easy to maneuver, which is great for people who aren't experts in hairstyling. However, like many multifunction devices, the Magic Styler may not perform as well as specialized tools in certain areas. For example, while it curls hair decently, the results might not be as defined as those achieved with a dedicated curling iron. Some users have also reported that it can take a little longer to style thicker or very curly hair. In conclusion, the Magic Styler is an excellent all-in-one tool for everyday styling needs, especially for people who want simplicity and convenience. However, for those seeking more advanced or highly specific styling results, specialized tools might still be preferable. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.